Your Roblox game might start perfectly, but if the connection keeps dropping on your iPhone, it can ruin your gameplay. Most players just wait, not knowing there's a quick fix. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox game connection lost issue on your iPhone. So let's fix it right now. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router if using Wi-Fi, now try airplane mode on and off, and after that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now search the game. Next, tap the game from here. Then scroll down. Here if you see whether the game is officially down or not. Solution 2. Turn off VPN. Open up the settings app on your iPhone, then tap on general. Now scroll down a little bit and after that tap on VPN and device management. Here, make sure that your VPN is turned off. Your VPN is not connected. Solution 3. Offload the Roblox app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope it works. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.